Good morning, and welcome back to the HG Realistic Show with your host, Mr. Grimm. This show is dedicated to protecting, educating, and empowering families and early childhood professionals through conversation about preschool safety and child development. In this morning episode, I will explain how screen time can affect early learning and school readiness in young children, especially before kindergarten and first grade. Imagine a child who spends several hours a day on a tablet or watching videos. Rather than playing, talking, or learning basic skills, at first it seemed harmless. The child is quiet and occupied. But when school began, the child struggled to focus, follow instruction, and engage in learning activities. This issue isn't just screen time, it's what screen time replaced. Disclaimer: this show is intended for educational and informational purposes only. The content shared is based on general preschool safety and child development discussion and should not replace professional, educational, medical, legal, or psychological advice. Listeners' discretion and professional guidance are encouraged when addressing individual child needs. My mission is very simple. We have to reconnect our children to learn real-world learning, interaction, and development that builds school readiness. Remember, technology is not the enemy, but balance is essential. Watch for these early signs: preferring screen over interaction with people, difficulties focusing on non-digital activities, limited communication or storytelling skills, frustration when the screen is taken away. These signs can affect readiness for a structured learning environment. More serious concern may include reliance on screen to stay calm or engage, reduce social interaction with peer or family, delay development in attention and communication skills, lack of interest in books, play, or hand-on learning. I am not suggesting that you remove technology completely. It's about balancing the child learning time. There has to be a set balance. Children need real interaction, talking, playing, exploring, and learning through experience, which will build a strong foundation for school success. Too much screen time can quietly replace those important development moments. If you find this topic helpful, follow and subscribe to continue building awareness around early educational and student readiness. Share this episode with parents, teachers, and anyone who care about students' learning journey. In our next episode, episode 14, I will discuss the role of parents in preschool readiness. Until next time, stay aware, stay proactive. Remember, preparing students for success is a community effort. Educational consulting services are available for a fee. Thank you so much for listening to the HG Realistic Show with Mr. Grimm. If you have questions or topic you would like us to discuss, feel free to send them in and participate in the conversation. Our email is hgrealisticpodcast@gmail.com. Until next time, stay aware, stay proactive, have a good day.